Hello coffee lovers, I am Jopatz and this is the day 12 of the 30-day box experience. Today, I'll be brewing a natural process Typica varietal from Loja, Ecuador. This coffee has a flavor profile of berries, floral, and nectarine. So I'll be using 18 grams of coffee to 40 grams of water. And now it's done. It's time to enjoy a good cup. Always remember that your best coffee is the coffee that suits you. Feel free to share with us your brewing method and experience with a coffee. Cheers and don't stop brewing.